Diddy's legal battles took a surprising turn when one of his own high-profile attorneys abruptly withdrew from his federal criminal case just 3 months before trial. This isn't the first time a lawyer has exited his defense team, raising questions about what might be compelling even seasoned legal professionals to step away. Subscribe to uncover the shocking details behind this sudden departure and what it could mean for Diddy's ongoing legal fight. The attorney in question, Anthony Rico, a formidable defense lawyer with an extensive resume in high-stakes federal cases, filed a motion to withdraw from Diddy's defense on February 21, 2025. This move came despite Diddy facing severe charges, including sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracy, and transportation to engage in prostitution, which could lead to a life sentence if convicted. Rico's history includes serving as lead defense counsel in up to 45 federal death penalty cases and working on significant cases like the World Trade Center bombing conspiracy. He joined Diddy's team in September 2024 alongside Alexander Shapiro, adding considerable legal muscle. His cryptic statement in a motion, indicating it was so that Sean Combs may move forward with his defense and to commence jury selection and trial without any delay, fueled speculation. The exact reasons for Rico's withdrawal remain confidential due to attorney-client privilege. However, legal experts like former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani suggested various possibilities, including disagreements on defense strategy, conflicts of interest, or even health issues, though he noted that unpaid fees were unlikely given Diddy's financial status. Despite the mystery, Rico had appeared fully committed to Diddy's defense, reportedly engaging closely with him during hearings and showing personal investment in the case. Even with Rico's departure, Diddy's legal team remained substantial, comprising 5 other experienced attorneys. Rico's departure did not delay the trial, and the government did not object to his withdrawal. Rico's exit came just days after Diddy's defense team attempted to dismiss the charge of transportation to engage in prostitution, arguing it stemmed from a racially biased law, the Mann Act, originally the White Slave Traffic Act. They contended that no white person has ever faced such a charge, asserting a history of racial bias within the law's application. Rahmani expressed skepticism about the success of such a motion, describing it as a difficult selective prosecution argument to win. The suddenness of Rico's departure led to rumors about a connection to audio evidence supposedly played in court. However, the most compelling audiovisual evidence, the 2016 surveillance video of Diddy physically assaulting Cassie Ventura in a Los Angeles hotel, was not played in court until May 2025, months after Rico's withdrawal. This video, which reportedly silenced the courtroom, contained audio of Cassie calling for security. Rico had been part of the defense team for approximately 5 months, during which major developments occurred, including pre-trial hearings and evidence discussions. The trial date was set in October 2024, and discussions about evidence disclosure happened in December 2024, with no mention of any audio. Rico's motion to withdraw followed shortly after Diddy's defense filed the motion to dismiss the Mann Act charge, suggesting potential internal disagreements over strategy. Legal expert Joe Tacopina, who declined to represent Diddy due to scheduling conflicts, not doubts about Diddy's innocence, commented on the case's core issue: consent. He suggested the main question was whether alleged victims consented to the activities, or if they were motivated by the perks of being associated with Diddy. Tacopina's perspective aligns with the defense's strategy, which aimed to portray the alleged victims as willing participants seeking financial gain. He also addressed rumors that his relationship with Jay-Z and Roc Nation influenced his decision, clarifying that this was a misinterpretation and had no bearing on his choice. The specific reasons for Rico's withdrawal remain private, but theories include ethical concerns, strategic disagreements, or the sheer pressure of the high-profile case. No credible reports confirmed any case-relevant audio being played in court before Rico's departure. As Diddy's federal trial commenced in May 2025 in Lower Manhattan, Rico's absence remained a significant detail. The thorough jury selection process, which began on May 5th, involved extensive questionnaires to gauge potential jurors' biases and knowledge of the case. By May 12th, a jury of 12 main jurors and 6 alternates was finalized. The defense, now led by Mark Agnifilo, adopted a strategy centered on consent. Reporter Michelle Ross, covering the trial, detailed some of the graphic testimony, including that of Daniel Phillips, a male stripper manager, who testified he was paid to have sex with Cassie Ventura in 2013 while Diddy allegedly watched. This testimony, along with that of a hotel security guard who witnessed the 2016 Cassie incident, formed a central part of the prosecution's case, which also included the surveillance video itself. The prosecution aims to prove coercion and exploitation, while the defense maintains that activities were consensual. Ramani emphasized the challenge for the defense in cross-examining witnesses, particularly Cassie, without alienating the jury. The core legal question revolves around force, fraud, or coercion, elements crucial for proving sex trafficking. Allegations of Diddy turning down a plea deal in May 2025 suggest confidence in his defense or an unwillingness to admit wrongdoing. Beyond the criminal trial, Diddy faces over 63 civil lawsuits alleging sexual assault and abuse spanning decades. Ramani underscored the importance of multiple victims telling similar stories to establish a pattern of behavior and strengthen the prosecution's argument that Diddy operated a criminal enterprise. This trial has been described as a potential reckoning for the music industry, exposing long-rumored abusive practices and power dynamics. Jaguar Wright, a supporter of the alleged victims, stated that such a reckoning is necessary. For Diddy, the stakes are incredibly high, with a potential minimum of 15 years to a life sentence if convicted on all charges. Rico's 5-month tenure on the defense team undoubtedly shaped early strategic decisions, and his departure likely forced adjustments. The defense continues to focus on consent as its primary argument, while the mystery surrounding Rico's exact reasons for leaving remains unsolved due to attorney-client privilege. The trial continues to unfold with daily testimony, including graphic details from witnesses. Former security guard Israel Flores testified about responding to the 2016 incident and Diddy allegedly offering him money to remain silent. The leaked 2016 video, despite defense attempts to block it, has been admitted as evidence. The prosecution's case also incorporates graphic details from witnesses about alleged freak-offs, describing scenarios of coercion and exploitation under the influence of drugs. The defense counters that these were consensual adult activities. The outcome of this trial will have significant implications not only for Diddy, but also for the broader music industry, potentially initiating a long-overdue reckoning regarding power abuse and accountability. Subscribe to stay informed as this groundbreaking trial progresses.